In today's video, I'm going to show you how to host your website on Ionos in just 5 minutes. If you're planning to bring your idea or business online, choosing the right hosting service is a crucial step, and today we'll walk through how to do it. Start by going to the official Ionos website. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of services like domain registration and web hosting. For this process, focus on domains and hosting. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign in or create one. Signing up is quick and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, the next important step is getting a domain name. Think of your domain as your website's address, the name people will type to find you online. Choose a domain that fits your idea or business, add it to your cart, and complete the purchase. After securing your domain, look for the website or hosting option on the platform. Click on it to move forward. This is where you'll start building your website. Ionos provides a user-friendly website builder, which is perfect if you don't want to code from scratch. Select the website builder option to get started. Next, choose a hosting package that fits your needs. Whether you're creating a simple portfolio, a blog, or an online store, there are different plans available. Take a moment to review them and pick the one that matches your goals. Once you've purchased your package, you can begin creating your website. Instead of starting from scratch, you can choose from a variety of templates. These templates are designed for different industries and styles, making it easy to find one that matches your brand. Customize it by adding your own text, images, and design touches. When everything looks good, go ahead and publish your website. This makes your site live and accessible to anyone on the internet. To get the most out of your website, spend some time exploring the Ionos dashboard and tools. Keep your content updated regularly to engage visitors and improve visibility. Also, make sure your website is optimized for mobile devices, since many users will visit from their phones. That's it. You've successfully hosted your website on Ionos. Your site is now live and you're ready to start your online journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.